So we will talk about E29, that is control power option failure. Like into the VFD, we have the control power, like control power. What is required? 20 volt DC, okay, minimum. So that is connected on plus SU and minus, so and CC terminal, okay, on ADS, sorry, ASD. So like you need to check there is an issue into that power supply or check like it is giving more than 20 volt DC and there is wiring is properly connected. If you are you found that your power supply is okay and in that case still it is coming, so it could be like a issue related to the wiring. Okay, you can check wiring, or if wiring also is okay, in that case also it is still coming, so there could be one more reason. That could be like terminal of the VFD onto the ASD card, that could be damaged internally. Okay, and if you are not using power supply, external power supply on control unit, so you need to check F647 and there mention 0. Okay, so it could be like it normally you mention you not mention 0 on 647. In that situation also this will come, this error will come. Okay, so normally it's indicate when like you are using external power supply, or there could be like by mistaken you have mentioned F647 equal to not 0. Okay, so in that case like if it is like it is not issue related to normally VFD, very rare chance that you will get issue of the VFD. So it could be power supply wiring, or terminals are not properly connected, or it could be by mistaken a parameter setting. So if you will follow these all instructions, you definitely will get the solution of this problem, this error E29 control power option failure. If still your problem is not resolved, you can write a mail to me on email ID incassalesone@gmail.com, and I have one PDF also that is chargeable. But with that, you will get a lot of knowledge about the VFD and VFD problems and how you can resolve the issue related to